my channel, and if you're new, consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell as well so you will be updated when I upload another video. And today's video, guys, is soon to be spring, and I've taken her out because I will clean it, but I haven't cleaned her yet. So this is my spring summer handbag. So here she is, guys. This is my most favorite spring summer handbag every year. And in Coach handbag, this is my first contemporary designer handbag from Coach. At that time when I got it, Coach was really booming, but now I think it back again this year or last year when the Coach started making different style of handbag, and it comes with this silver hardware and in calfskin, and with this here is that with a pocket in here, pocket there, and baby blue pocket here, and it fit a lot, guys. And I'll have something inside. I've taken it. I will check this out. It has pocket here and pocket there. I still have something here. So this is my long wallet. As you can see, it fits a lot with my card holder, my coin purse. Okay, then still can fit a lot there, still room. And then there's another compartment here with my makeup pouch, and there's also a packet in there, and with this logo. This is the logo of Coach, and she's so pretty. I really like her. I normally wear her with if I'm wearing like cream or all white or dress or jumpsuit. This is the one that I carry with me. She's really my go-to spring summer handbag, and I really like her. And it comes with two this removable strap. It's not long, so I'm planning to get like a longer strap for this one so I can wear this one sling. So you can wear it in a crook of your arm like that, handheld, or you can really do that one, or shoulder bag like this. So this is my go-to summer handbag, and because she is in a beige color, and see, you need to clean it. So I got this one, guys, I got this from Coach few years ago, because I can see that there is a bit of dirt there, and I don't want to use different or another. Like, I need to go and ask the Coach boutique here if what type of cleaner that I could use for this type of leather. So the Coach given me these because this one is calfskin, so it's like calfskin is the baby cow, right? So so she's given me this, so I got this from Coach. This one is like cleaner, so after you clean it, you moisturize your bag before you store it. So that's why I've taken her out, and I want to see what if I need to clean it. But surely I really need to clean it. It's been a while I haven't cleaned her. So yeah, that's for now, guys. So that's it, my summer spring or spring-summer handbag. So, guys, show me what spring-summer handbag you've got. Okay, that's for now, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye! Bye for now, guys. Bye!